Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to scroll my LinkedIn profile page for 5 minutes and let's see how many jobs we can able to pull. Let's jump into the video. Friends, before we start this video, I would like you to visit my profile, which is Prakash K. So this is my profile. Here is the link of my profile. I will be sharing in the description. Take a look and follow, so you will be having a lot of job related information. And then starting with the feed, Qualcomm is hiring for DFT engineers with 5 to 12 years of experience in Bangalore location. If you are interested, you can share your resume with the vinb@qti.qualcomm.com. I would be sharing this as well, my profile. And CypherArks is hiring for content writer. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address, or else you can call to this number directly. And AlgoSec is looking for performance QA engineer in Gurgaon or remote. If you are interested, you can click on this link and apply for the role. So I would be sharing this link as well, so it would be easy for us to share the job. And keeping that aside, Grindrel is hiring for full stack developer. If you are interested, you can share your resume with moni.kuntala@engty1@kindriel.com. I would be sharing this as well. And next is a consultancy job. I'm not going to talk about that. So Asia Software Solutions is hiring for .NET developers, business development executives. If you are interested, you can share your resume with this email address. I would be sharing this job post as well. And Celonis India is hiring for ecosystem solutions engineer. If you are interested, you can share your you can apply through this link. I would be sharing this as well. And Informatica company is hiring for principal performance engineer. If you are interested, you can share your you can click on this view job and apply for the role. Keeping that aside, Latent View is hiring for data engineer in Chennai location. If you are interested, you can share your resume with tag@latentview.com. So I'm going to share it so it will appear on my page. Software Technologies is hiring for Java developer. Let me see if this is a consultancy or so basically this is a service-based company. I'm going to share it. This job is based out of Coimbatore, and this person is looking for technical recruiter role. If any hiring person is watching this video, please do take a look. Amazon is hiring for HR recruiter role. I have shared in one of my previous videos. So then Morgan Stanley is hiring for Mumbai location, but this is Teamware Solutions company, so I'm just ignoring it. And next, Mantic is hiring. I don't know what kind of company is this, so I'm just going to ignore it. So this person is looking for DevOps role, and Radiant Software is hiring for DevOps engineer role. And also we have shared couple of AWS DevOps roles in our previous videos, so sharing this comment with them. And Synopsys is hiring for SOC engineer. If you are interested, share your resume with this person, silpadas@synopsys.com. And that's my 5 minutes, friends. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.